Alright everyone, today is an exciting day. We got some accessories in the mail for the Polaris General. Today we got some A-arm guards from Ricochet off-road. So we're going to do a little unboxing of those and install video. There's one. Front. And we got the two rears. So these are aluminum A-arm guards. Like I said, from Ricochet Off-Road. We've used them in the past on some of our other machines, and you'll see them in the videos with the Honda Rancher and also on some of the motorcycles, the KLX 300 and the Honda 50 and 70 dirt bikes. So they're aluminum, high quality products, nice and thick, provide good protection for the CV boots and for the A-arms. So we'll do a little video on the install and go from there. Okay, so we'll start with the driver's side. Front A-arms comes with 3 of these clamps. Works pretty simple. These clamps will fit over the A-arm, and then the plate will come up. There's a few mounting holes under there. They'll meet up with that. So take 3 clamps on each side. You might have seen in the beginning I'd used a bungee cord to help hold it up while I got the initial bolts threaded. So it's not totally uptight yet. We got it up fairly tight, still has a little bit of mobility. But we're going to check that everything is clear as we move from fully turned both left and right. So it was all clear, turning to the right. Let's go fully to the left. And everything's cleared. So we'll go ahead and tighten them up. Alright, we'll do the rear A-arm guard now, back underneath the General, looking from the front to the back. It already has a little bit of a guard here, and as I look at it now, I can already see some just the rocks and dirt and debris and stuff that I've already kind of banged it up, just a little bit that we've on it, so it's good to have the extra protection going underneath. So this mounts up. You can see it, there's a couple of holes, 3 holes, 1, 2, the one on the far side they'll attach to, and then there's another bolt on the other side that will go in to hold it in place. So the rear seemed to be a little bit easier to get to as far as the bolts go straight through the factory holes in the A-arms. There's just a little bit of adjustability, so we'll go ahead and adjust that a little bit and tighten it up. Alright, we're halfway done with the driver's side, front and back. So the other side is just the same. Won't video that. Give it a wrap up once we're done here in just a little bit. Well, there you have it. The Ricochet A-arm guards are installed in the front and in the rear. I will say the side that I did without trying to take video where I was trying to stay out of the way was much easier to get to from the front and all different sides. Really not a bad install. So we're looking forward to these taking the bumps and hits that we'll see along the trail instead of the A-arms getting damaged. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Southwest ORV, for more videos of the Polaris General in action, as well as our other off-road vehicles. Thanks for watching.